While not all trays and canopies are built to go explore the country, go travel, go camping, go full driving, sometimes they're built for work. So today we're going to have a look at this tradie setup, custom canopy and tray. Now this canopy and tray was built to suit the customer's needs. We've gone for our XT base trays. The customer wanted to get as much canopy space as possible. So this tray is our XT base tray. It doesn't have a headboard to gain the extra 100 mil at the front. Now the XT base tray comes standard with the under tray boxes, and that's pretty much the base package you can get. From here, the customer's option on the rear drawer and a 40 litre water tank underneath as well. So to start off on the driver's side, you've got your under tray toolboxes, all sealed just like every other toolbox we do. Opening up the canopy, we've got one modular mounting channel. So that's our standard channel that we run on all of our canopies. His only option for the one on this side just for tie down points and a little bit of mounting. At the top here we've got a shelf which has been made to suit certain boxes that he carries. So he bought these boxes in, we measured them up and made this shelf to suit, so it fits in all nice and snug. In the door we've got your meter hardcore light. Now that's able to change colors, dim and on and off through this switch panel right here. Moving around to the back, we've got a fold down ladder. Now this bit, customer being a chippies, is useful for getting up materials onto the roof rack. Real nice sleek design, really simple to use. Just has some rubber straps on the side to lock that in. Now around the back we've got our auto lamp, maxi lamp LED lights. We've got under tray rear drawer. Now another useful feature for tools, for storage, whatnot. You've also got a bit of a table there for roadside stops, pulling something out, quickly fixing something, just chuck that up on the top of the table. This customer wanted 3 doors in his canopy just to access all areas of the space. The rear door is to access the middle compartment of this canopy. Now this compartment's obviously used for longer items. The customer has a plan of how he's going to use it. The rear door is also braced just as much as the standard doors on the sides. Moving along, we've got our lockable jerry can holder. Under the latches on the side and folds down. Now on the roof we've got our premium roof rack suited the size that he was after. The size he's gone for is usually to chuck, chipboard or ply sheets on top. We've got a variety of different tie down points up here. All out made of aluminium, nice and light, plenty of folds in there as well to keep it nice and strong. On the passenger side, we've got a shelving unit on the roof here suited to a specific storage solution that he has. We've also got the modular mounting channels now on this side, which is he's going to be using to bolt down boxes, toolboxes, all that sort of stuff. It's also used for the customer supplied Red Arc Go block. Now during the design phase of this canopy, we grabbed the Red Arc Go block, grabbed the mounting bracket and drew that into the floor of the canopy. So when it came time to laser cut, channels were cut as well as the mounting holes for this Go block. So it just bolts straight into the pre-cut holes. We've also got a bit of a mounting plate up here for his 12 volt, fuses, switches, a variety of different things which the customer's going to wire up himself. Now here at Wigley, it's not all about the full drives, it's not about the camping and off-road. Sometimes you just need a setup suited to you. Now when it comes to working out of your vehicle, there's nothing worse than having a setup that doesn't quite work. This customer's come to us with a few customer requests to make sure his setup is right, efficient and perfect for what he needs. To see more of this build, jump on our Instagram, jump on our Facebook, follow us on our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. For more information, email us at info@wigleengineering.com.au or give us a call.